Initiate biological material process, code 7-4-A. Pressure parameters must be kept stable.
Confirm item transfer.
Surface temperature, 36.5 degrees Celsius.
Prepare the dyeing tank. Rainbow multicolor code.
Submerge material. Start the timer. Ensuring even penetration at this angle. Time is up. Pulling it out. Transferring for rinsing. Dyeing time, 4.5 minutes. Intensity, 80%.
Rinse 3 cycles. Leave no residue.
Material is clean, no chemical residue.
Increase conveyor speed by 15%.
Material is now heading to the high temperature treatment area. Output temperatures, 180 degrees Celsius. Perfect. Thermal treatment crew, stand by. Maximum eye protection on. Start torching. Focus on the edges.
Keep steady hand. Keep the flame even.
Detail the tail section, gently now. Complete. Clear material is moving through. Increase polishing speed to 2.5.
Pressure curve is still within acceptable limits. Adjust pressing pressure down to 0.2 bar.
Low temperature error alert dismissed.
Store current process configuration.
The surface must be smooth.
Checking for color uniformity. No printing surface flaws detected. Checking the underside, no air bubbles. 5 square meters inspected. Pass rate, 100%. Transferring for automated coding. All sensors are showing green. First coat is perfect. Conveyor speed is ideal for this coating thickness. Confirm spray solution viscosity, code 0-5-1. Excellent. Moving to cutting. Receiving cut material. Ready. Piece A1, A2, all are precise.
The cuts are very sharp, no fraying.
Total pieces cut, 150 sets. 0 defective pieces. Cutting area has completed the task. Stack carefully. Do not damage the edges. Transfer these 2 trays to the assembly area immediately. Prepare needle number 12, starting the final assembly stage. Black thread for high durability. Sewing along the programmed path. This seam is very tight. Main seam completed. Perfect finished product. Task complete. Initiating new growth cycle parameters. First phase materialization, 80% integrity.
Extraction complete. Stable at 22 degrees.
Dyeing process initialized. Monitoring pigmentation. Pattern initiation confirmed. It's working.
Thermal bond achieved. The pattern is permanent.
Quality check passed. Pattern density is optimal.
Cutting phase complete. All pieces within tolerance.
First prototype, perfection.
This is truly remarkable. A new era begins.
Packaging quality check complete. Transferring for shipment.
Departure confirmed. Cargo bay temperature, 18 degrees Celsius, stable.
The new biological collection piece is now on display.
Focus on the authenticity of the material. Perfect.
This is biosynthetic leopard material created without harming any animals, madam. I'll take this. What a breakthrough.
I need to verify source code 74A. There is an abnormal temperature fluctuation.
It's not just material. It's a sentient entity that's reacting.
I need to verify that source code F4.
It's not just material. It's a sentient entity that's reacting.
Are you suggesting our product has a soul?
I'm in. Preparing core system access. Code red. Intruder detected in the coating sector.
Stop! Immediately!
This product is not just fashion. It is the future of personal protection.
From fashion to architecture, our technology is shaping the world.
Increase global capacity by 200%.